In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reboot your Whoop device. It's pretty straightforward to do, and there could be a million reasons why you want to reboot it, but just follow this guide and I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing we need to go ahead and do is launch up the Whoop app on our phone. And once you've launched up the Whoop app, it should look something like this on the screen. And we need to go to the little three lines in the bottom right corner and go to More. And then once we've gone to More, we need to go over and scroll down and go to Device Settings. So now that we're in Device Settings, we need to go over to Advanced, so we can just swipe across to that there. And then we need to scroll down to Reboot Device. So we can click on the Reboot Device button there, and if we click that, it's going to say it will take a few minutes to reboot your Whoop. Are you sure? If you're sure that you want to go ahead and do it, then you want to click Reboot, and that's going to go ahead and reboot your Whoop device. So that's basically how you go about doing it. As you can see, it's super straightforward and easy to do, but you just need to know where to go for it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below that it helped you out. Thank you for watching.